this Suva Hydra.
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई नो मैं बहुत टाइम बाद फिल्म कर रही हूँ, आप लोग मेरी वीडियो बहुत टाइम बाद देखोगे एंड आई एम सो सॉरी फॉर दैट, बट आई विल ट्राई माय बेस्ट कि मैं आप कंटिन्यू अपलोड कर पाऊँ. So yes, in today's video I'm going to share that what products I got from Nykaa Pink Friday sale and some of the products I purchased from different website as well. And in the last I'm going to tell you one more thing. So yes, if you want to know everything then keep watching. Alright, so the first product is this Dr. Shade sunscreen. There was an offer going on buy two get two free. So दो मैंने जो है वो अपने लिए ऑर्डर किया और दो मेरी फ्रेंड ने अपने लिए ऑर्डर कर ली थी, तो हम दोनों का जो बजट है वो भी सही बैठ गया था. एक सनस्क्रीन हमें 250 की पड़ी थी एंड विच इज़ बेस्ट रेट आई थिंक. और इसमें जो है वो 1% हाइलुरोनिक एसिड है, जिसको लगाने के बाद इस सनस्क्रीन को लगाने के बाद आपकी जो स्किन है वो इतनी ज़्यादा शाइन करती है, इतनी ग्लोई हो जाती है, विच इज़ बेस्ट अबाउट दिस. इसके बाद इसमें 1% टर्मरिक एक्सट्रैक्ट है. मैंने पिछली टाइम सेरेमाइड वाली ऑर्डर की थी, वो भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. और इस बार मैंने सोचा कि चलो लेट्स ट्राई हल्दी एंड हाइलुरोनिक एसिड, और हल्दी तो फिर फेस के लिए अच्छी भी होती है. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस. सो येस, इफ़ यू वांट टू गो और इफ़ यू वांट टू ट्राई दिस सनस्क्रीन, डू नॉट थिंक, जस्ट गो एंड बाय इट. और अगर आप ऑफर में परचेज कर रहे हो तो आपको ये 250 की पड़ेगी. और क्या चाहिए आपको, अगर 250 में आपको सनस्क्रीन मिल रही है, वो भी बेस्ट सनस्क्रीन. सो द सेकंड प्रोडक्ट इज दिस टू पेस्ट कंसीलर इन द शेड गोल्डन बेज and it is best concealer. It blends too smoothly and it also has hyaluronic acid. मुझे जहाँ पे भी hyaluronic acid दिखता है ना विंटर्स में, मैं चलो जाओ ले लो वो प्रोडक्ट, क्योंकि विंटर्स में आपकी स्किन को बहुत ही ज़्यादा नीड होती है हाइलुरोनिक एसिड की, क्योंकि आपकी स्किन ड्राई हो जाती है. और हाइलुरोनिक एसिड क्या करता है कि जो इन्वायरमेंट में मॉइस्चर होता है ना, वो आपकी स्किन एब्जॉर्ब करती है, तो आपकी स्किन को मॉइस्चर मिलता है. आपकी स्किन ड्राई हो जाती है विंटर में और उसको मॉइस्चर मिल रहा है, विच इज़ बेस्ट थिंग इन द विंटर्स. तो मुझे जहाँ पे भी हाइलुरोनिक एसिड लिखा हुआ मिलता है, जस्ट गो एंड परचेज इट. एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज कोकोनट वाटर ऑल्सो. पता ही होगा कि कोकोनट वाटर इज बेस्ट फॉर द स्किन. बोला भी जाता है कि कोकोनट वाटर पिया करो फॉर योर हेल्थ. मतलब मैं मेकअप से हेल्थ पे कहाँ आ गई, आई एम सॉरी, बट कोकोनट वाटर इज गुड फॉर द स्किन एज वेल. सो येस, this concealer is all right. So the third product is this K Beauty concealer. I have used this concealer for my today's look and it's superb. It's blends too smoothly and I don't know the price of each product, so I will list MRP and the sale price, like at what price I got the product, somewhere on the screen, so that you can see that price of the product. And yes, this concealer is also. So the next product is also from K Beauty, that is its loose powder and it is best for its price. I already have it and it was going to finish, so I thought chalo let's buy it in the sale price. कौन बाद में ज़्यादा price में लेगा. And by buying these two products from K Beauty, I got this eyeshadow stick free. And I think eyeshadow stick का जो color है that is Fortune, मतलब shade है जो Fortune, that is not good for my skin tone. I have applied it for today's look. It's only giving a little shine, nothing else. I will try again and will let you know. Alright, so the next product we have is this Requil under eye cream and I have used this product for 2 to 3 months and I have seen the result as well within 1 month. So yes, if you want to remove your dark circles or if you want to reduce dark circles, then you can go for this under eye cream. Alright, so now let's talk about lipstick. So first we have this Smashbox Mini Duo which has 2 lipstick, मतलब duo है तो 2 ही lipstick होगी. So the shade which I am going to tell you, that is the driver's seat, that is warm pink, which I have applied in today's look. And the second one is Disorderly Deep Brick Red. Let me show you the swatches of this lipstick. So this lipstick is I have applied this in today's look, so I'm not going to swatch it. And the second one is this. You can see the swatch. It's beautiful for the brides, seriously. Alright, so the next lipstick we have is this Too Faced lipstick in the shade Sell Out, and it's beautifully pink and it will suit more on light to medium skin tone. Let me show you the swatch of this lipstick. I hope you can see. And the next lipstick we have is from Love Earth, and it's best lipstick. It has best formula for its price. Like ये वैसे 899 या 799 की कुछ है, but I got these lipsticks at 50% off. So I think for this price it's a best lipstick. So yes, that two shade name is, first one is Pink Colada. I think I am pronouncing it correct, and the second one is Espresso Martini. These both shades are so beautiful. Let me swatch it for you. And now let me swatch this Espresso Martini. This one is Pink Colada, and the second one, which I'm swatching it now, that is Espresso Martini. All these shades are so beautiful. Alright, so the next product we have is this Color Bar Primer, and it is my third bottle. So you can imagine that how beautiful it is and how much I love it. Alright, so the next product we have is this Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer, and it's the best fixer. It's my 6th or 7th bottle, I don't remember, but this fixer is best for its price. Like whenever I use this fixer, my makeup lasts for 8 to 9 hours, which is best for this fixer. Like its price, its formula, its long lasting power, and everything for its price. So the next product we have is this Swiss Beauty Nail Paint, but I don't like it at all. Like you can see कि ये 3-4 दिन में ही कैसा हो गया है इसका ये पैकेजिंग, और इसके बाद आई डोंट लाइक इट्स फॉर्मूला ऑल्सो, एंड आई डोंट लाइक द शेड एज वेल. आई डोंट थिंक सो कि आप फॉर्मूला देख पाओगे, मैं दिखा भी इस तरीके से रही हूँ. आई एम सॉरी, बट आई डोंट लाइक इट्स फॉर्मूला एंड द शेड. अब शेड में तो उनकी गलती नहीं है, शेड में तो मेरी गलती है कि मैंने ये शेड परचेज किया, बट I don't like. So yes, I got this tint free with these Swiss Beauty products, and it's beautiful. Like इसकी fragrance भी इतनी प्यारी है, बिल्कुल chocolate वाली fragrance आ रही है. And I have applied it in today's look for my cheeks and for lips as well. And you can see that how beautiful it is. So the next product we have is this Nivea deodorant roll on, and I have restocked it, and I don't think so कि मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा बोलना चाहिए. So yes. So the next product we have is this water activator eyeliner. It's also called Hydra eyeliner, and it's from Suva, and it has 2 colors, as you can see. One is black and one is white. What I love about it, मुझे इससे ज़्यादा ये जिस बॉक्स में आया है ना वो ज़्यादा अच्छा लगा है. यू कैन सी लाइक इतना छोटू सा प्रोडक्ट इतने बड़े बॉक्स में आया है, और इसकी पैकेजिंग भी बहुत अच्छी है. इट्स फ्रॉम कल्ट. Alright, so in the starting of the video, I told that I will tell you one thing in the end of the video. So that is that I got a PR package from brand Mars. And so yes, let me tell you that what I got in PR package. So the first product we have is this cute sa little sa mirror, and it's travel friendly as well. So yes, this is the first product which I got. Then the second product we have is this mascara, and I think that Mars has luxurious packaging for all the products, and this mascara is also good. I have used this mascara for today's look, and you can see that it has given the volume and it has separated the lash hair, and it's. Then the next product we have is this white pencil, and I'm in love with this product. ये मेन चीज लॉन्ग लास्टिंग है, स्मच नहीं होती है, और बहुत ही प्यारा पिगमेंट है इस प्रोडक्ट का. यू कैन सी इट्स ब्यूटिफुल. मुझे तो इससे प्यार हो गया है. like his products. Then the next product we have is this liquid eyeliner, and मुझे liquid eyeliner थोड़े से कम पसंद आते हैं in comparison with gel eyeliner. So the next product we have is this beautiful eyeshadow palette. It has warm colors, it has cool colors, it has red, it has black, and it has beautiful shimmers as well. Let me swatch it for you. How pigmented they are. And the last product we have is this liquid eyeshadow, and it's beautiful. Its formula is too good and its pigment is also good. Let me swatch it for you where I should. Let me swatch it here. You can see that how beautiful it is. Alright, so this is all for the video, and I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. So please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.